How to transfer BONK from Binance to Bybit. Now first we need to get to withdrawal address of BONK token from our Bybit account. Now first open the Bybit app and make sure to log into your account and tap on assets, and now tap on deposits, and now click on deposit crypto, and from the search bar just type the BONK like that, and after you find your token just click on it, and as you can see here, select this one as a network. Now you can copy the withdrawal address of your token. Now go back and open the Binance app. So after you open the Binance app, tap on assets, and from the top bar tap on spots, and from here just tap on withdraw, and as you can see here in the search bar type the token name. In this case it will be BONK. So after you find your token, now just click on it. Now here click on send via crypto network, and now in the address you can provide the withdrawal address that you copied from your Bybit account and select the network as Solana, as you can see here. So after that, set the amount that you want to transfer. In this case, type how much you want to transfer. After that, click on withdraw. In about a few seconds to a few minutes, you will be able to receive your token on your Bybit account. So this is how to transfer BONK from Binance to Bybit. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.